Leader of the opposition, Mark Golding, participated in several activities in his South St. Andrew constituency. He started the day at a tree planting exercise at Charlie Smith High School before doing some work at Jonestown Primary and the Friendship Park. Marlon Samuels was there and he filed this report.
In South St. Andrew, many areas tell a story of potential waiting to be unlocked. The premises of several schools are in need of a facelift. Behind the Jonestown Primary School, debris and garbage have accumulated over time. Visible, broken appliances, old washing machines, and discarded trash. Friendship Park, a cheerful space for children, shows signs of neglect. Pedestrian crossings, vital to ensure the safety of pedestrians and complying with legal requirements, need to be brightened. On Labor Day, May 23, 2025, residents, young and old, teachers, local leaders, and opposition leader Mark Golding rolled up their sleeves and began working.
And the residents of the community is doing this to the school. It brings tears to my eyes. So I just take the opportunity to know that I'm going to involve it in the MP project for Labor Day.
So councillor out helping us, so that motivates us to do the right thing.
Well, I think it's very important that at least once a year everybody focuses on serving the public, serving their community, serving others. And Labor Day is the day in Jamaica when we do that. And it's an opportunity, obviously, to improve the environment, which is the theme for this year, and clean up the place and beautify the place. And everybody gets together and puts in our work, and it's great.
The transformation was evident. The walls at 3 community schools were painted, turning dull, neglected walls into symbols of hope and community pride. This effort was part of a broader initiative to beautify public spaces and foster a sense of ownership among residents. The garbage at the rear of the Jonestown Primary School was cleared away. Garbage bins and signage discouraging littering installed. Streets within Arnett Gardens saw a flurry of activity, with volunteers repainting pedestrian crossings to improve safety. They cleared verges and planted flowers to enhance the area's aesthetic appeal. The community's roundabout, a vibrant landmark, was also spruced up. Perhaps the most inspiring work was at Friendship Park. Volunteers painted the fence, cleaned and repaired playground equipment. It demonstrates the community's commitment in nurturing its future and protecting its natural environment. The improvements at the park created a more welcoming and inclusive space for children of all ages and abilities.
We here in the community have a duty to really see to it that whatever we have, we take care of it and protect it. So that is something that I'm expecting. I, as an individual who lives here, over the years, I've tried my best to really see how best we can take care of what we have and to preserve it.
Awareness is very important, and also our water resources are impacted by how we deal with waste, especially throwing waste into gullies, because the rain carries those, the torrents of water from the rain carry the rubbish down into, in Kingston's case, into Kingston Harbour, and that pollutes the harbour. It affects our marine assets, our marine ecology. Fishermen rely on that. Many of us enjoy eating seafood, fish and other seafood. So everything is everything, It's God's earth and everything is interrelated.
Labor Day in Arnett Gardens was a testament to the power of community action. Through their collective efforts, residents demonstrated that Jamaica Nice, Protect With Paradise is more than just a slogan. It's a call to action. Reporting for the news on PBCJ, I am Marlon Samuel.